Okay, I just fixed this 32-inch LG LCD TV. It's a 32 LD450. It's just a rare, I think it's a full HD actually, 32-inch LCD set, but it's just a regular LG one with this main board here. Now there's several different models of this main board about, and I've got another one here as well. This one is EAX 630-26601, and as you see, this is a 37-inch. I actually swapped this board out, but this one broke down as well with the same problem as the original one that came with this TV. Now the original board for this TV is here. It's an EAX 61354204, and I guess that I'll name the video under the name of this, but I guess it applies for pretty much all models. These boards are actually slightly different. This one drives the backlight slightly differently, and the backlight kept flickering on and off, so what I did was I made modifications to the backlight circuit and removed parts off the 32-inch board, put them onto this 37-inch board, and it works, as you see. But after, you know, I wasn't going to repair this board because I've had a couple of these with no Freeview. Basically, it just doesn't pick up signal. You know, it acts like there's no aerial plugged in. And I had this board and it was similar, so I decided just to swap the parts over to get this one working for the set. Anyway, I had it plugged in, and you know, I had a picture, but it kept breaking up. So, oh, right, what next? So I thought that it might have been this little junction here for the aerial, but I plugged that into the Vestel setup there, and it worked first thing. So I knew that this board had a problem with the Freeview, and after about 10 minutes of wriggling the wire and stuff, it totally lost signal, and I wasn't able to get the signal again. So essentially, this board broke down in the same way this one did. And as you see, I've removed the tuner can here, which is this little can that sits over the Freeview tuner. And all I had to do to fix it was I did actually, you know, use the pliers here and just made this a bit of an odd shape so the connection was good, but that didn't fix it. All I had to do was just add a bit of fresh solder to the contacts on the inside there. Those outside pins, I just added a little dab of solder on them and on the inside there. And that was all I had to do. And now the Freeview is working perfectly. I did also resolder the can from underneath the board, just to make sure that's all soldered on properly. I'll get that back on after. But after resoldering those contacts, this Freeview tuner here, with the remote, it works.
Of this countryside forever, but the company behind it say they're doing everything they can to minimise the visual impact.
We have put more detail into this planning application than most of our applications in terms of landscape strategy, what hedges are going to go where, all the
fix this set just by adding some fresh solder to the Freeview tuner. And it's a shame really, because I've taken parts off this board so I can no longer use it. I wonder if I was to just resolder this can here, if it would work this one. Might possibly be the case, but you know, I've taken parts off of it for this board to get this board to work in the set, you know, and this isn't going to work in this TV because of the missing parts, so I can't, you know, see if it was the contacts, but I know it's the contacts, sorry, even. So if you do get one of these LG sets that has no signal or bad Freeview connection, consider just resoldering the contacts inside the Freeview can. And in my case, it's fixed it. So thanks for watching, and hope this helps.